How to do a wire transfer on Bank of America. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can do an international wire transfer on your Bank of America. So to do that, first of all, log into your Bank of America account by going to the Bank of America website. Now once you've done that, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where on the top side of the screen you can see various tabs. Tap on the third one, which is Transfer Zelle. After that, a drop down box will appear where you'll have to tap on the option to from other banks includes wire. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option I agree, which is right over here, and once you've done that, simply tap on the I agree box on the bottom left side of your screen. Now you will be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to add a new recipient or an account. So tap on the option add account / recipient. After that, select international, as we are doing an international wire transfer. Now once you've done that, you'll have to first of all select the country to where you are sending your money to. Now once you've done that, enter the recipient information such as what type of account it is, whose account it is, and once you've done that, enter the recipient's first name, last name, address, etc. After that, you'll have to enter the bank address and account. So simply do all of those, and once you've done that, tap on the option add account. After that, you'll have successfully added a new account or recipient to your Bank of America. Now tap on the option return to make transfer, which is on the bottom side of the screen. Now you will be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to select how much you want to send. So enter it in the amount tab. Now scroll down and then simply tap on the option make transfer, but before doing that, tap on the option I have read and agreed to above terms including exchange rate, fee and taxes. So once you've checked on that box, tap on the option make transfer, and there you have it. That is basically how you do a wire transfer or international wire transfer on Bank of America. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.